Good morning, everybody. I ended yesterday's video with nighttime voice, and today I'm starting the video with morning time voice. It is 10 to 9. I've been up for a while. I've already got my coffee right here, drinking it. I woke up a little congested this morning. Not sick, this has been the way it's been for a while. However, the new humidifier seems to be doing the trick. And the house just gets excruciatingly warm upstairs as opposed to downstairs in this old house. And sometimes we have to just close the vents off upstairs because it just gets too warm to breathe in all night long. Today, the winter storm is supposed to start in 10 minutes. I don't know if they can necessarily track it that close, but that's what my phone says. So, if you're watching this, I hope you guys are warm and you are staying safe. Today, I'm going to be making a big pot of vegetable soup. There's nothing like a big thing of soup to eat on for a couple days when the weather is bad. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. And I'm not sure what else I'll be getting into, but I'm going to take you guys along on my day. And I'm going to enjoy my big, ginormous cup of coffee that looks the size of my head in this video, but I promise it's not that big. But I'm looking forward to it. And actually, I've got my blanket wrapped around my shoulders, and I am going to try to attempt to get away with watching a little bit of Gilmore Girls before Ronnie shows up down there. Well, we just got done watching church service on our TV. Service is canceled tonight due to ice, and I made soup. So this was really easy put together. If you're wondering what seasoning I use actually I have been using the brand of seasoning that comes out by Crock-Pot itself. And it's not my favorite, but it's all I've been able to find in our stores. So I'm using it anyways. But I added a little bit of my own seasonings to it. And I just use ground sirloin that I browned. I cubed and I peeled and cubed potatoes that I boiled with a little bit of onion and a little bit of celery. And the rest is canned vegetables, whatever I had on hand, which is corn, carrots, green beans. I did not have any peas because all of them was outdated, but that's fine. And this is going to be dinner today. I'm going to put the lid on and it's going to cook up and simmer and make some yummy goodness for a very cold day. All right, we got it sandwiches here.
Oh man, it looks good.
We got the soup.
It looks good from a blind man. It smells good.
Well, it smells good, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Smell your sandwiches.
Mmm.
Don't that smell good?
Mm-hmm.
And it's got all the things you like on it. Enjoy. I'm going to go make mine.
Hey, sweetheart.
Yes.
Do you have any oysters?
Watching Little House on the Prairie. We just got done eating our dinner. And now I'm having a slice of my chocolate pie. I saved just enough room for this chocolate pie.
I didn't save any, but I still wait a piece.
I know. He said he didn't save no room, and he still ate a piece.
I've been a bad boy today.
You guys see the snow? This was not here 30 minutes ago. Waited all day for this, and it just showed up. What time is it, hon? Do you know?
Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6:48 p.m.
6:30. Got it. Finally snowed. Waited all day. Well, I think it's going to be, I'm going to call it a day. This is probably going to be the shortest Monday vlog you all have ever seen. We waited and waited for this ginormous snow to happen. And honestly, around 6:30, we got about an inch of snow. And they're saying that we're supposed to get more tonight. Now, I figure because it rained and then it's going to freeze tonight, it probably will make for slick conditions on our roads and things. But here, right here where we're at, I didn't get much of anything. But I did see on Facebook where friends of mine in other places got a good bit of snow. So
far, it's not that impressive. I was just out there.
I know, it's nothing really. I mean, we got more snow last snow that I shared with you guys. We got more snow in that than we did this. And this was supposed to be like the big national winter storm. It was ridiculous. Anyways, I've done loaded the humidifier. And a lot of you guys asked me what my thoughts was on it. So I put the link in the video that was posted yesterday, which was Saturday. It's in the description box if you all are interested. I think I can put it with this one if I can find it. But anyways, it was about $50. And I will tell you that it misted all night till 7:30 this morning because I watched it, and every time I would wake up, I would check it to see if it was still misting.
It done the trick.
When it runs out of water, it shuts off automatically.
And it lasted all night.
It lasted all night, and we definitely can tell a difference in the room. It has a tiny chamber on the back that you can put your essential oils in. Now, it is not like your typical diffuser where you can make your essential oil smell extremely strong. This here is very, very light. You can smell it, and a lot of times, you know, like if you've been in a room for a long time and you don't really notice it, but then when you leave the room and you come back in, you know that it's working because you definitely can smell your essential oils because it is that light on dispersing that into the air. But as far as the way that it works, it's easy to clean. It's easy to maintain. It was easy to figure out. It was very, there was a video. If you'll look at the link for it, there's a video that shows you how to use the entire thing and how it works. And that really drew me to the machine itself because I thought I really like that because it seemed really, really easy. With the vaporizer that we had, it was extremely noisy too. And this thing here, you can't even hear it. Can you hear it at all, hon?
No, I mean,
because I'm deaf. So.
Unless you're, but it don't. It's real quiet. I like that too. And I think it works really well. I know it helps on your breathing.
Yeah, it definitely does.
So I think it's a good investment.
I did not wake up like all dry today, like in my sinuses. So I really do think that it is doing its thing. And yeah, so I'm very impressed with the product. I am not sponsored in any way. This is something I found on my own. I hit him up with the idea as a present for his birthday because we tried the vaporizer thing out and it just didn't work for us. And this here, I will say too, if you have kids, it's very safe. It's cool to the touch. It doesn't even get hot. So, really and truly, it's a win-win. It does the job for the air in the room, but it's also not, it doesn't get hot where you can get burned by the steam or anything like that. It's a cool mist. So
I guess for a blind person, that's a
yeah, it's really good for him because say for some reason I forget to unplug it. If he touches it, he's not going to get burned and he can unplug it too. And it's all good. So it's a win-win all the way around. Like I said, I'm not being sponsored. This was not given to me. I bought this on my own. And so, yeah. So whenever I find something that I really do like and it really works for me, you guys know I always share it with you guys. So if you guys are having like sinus issues like I've been fighting this year, Ronnie has intermediate asthma. And so anything that we can help him with breathing or, you know, help the air in our room when we're sleeping, it just was a win-win. So if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed spending a little bit of my day with me. I know this video was kind of short. tomorrow, I got to get up out of bed. I got to get my butt in gear. I was supposed to do things today. I have been one lazy girl today. Just sitting around waiting for this almighty snow that never really happened. You guys know me. I'm never completely lazy, but I was very laid back today. And usually I don't film on Sunday because I usually say to you guys, I'm not going to film on Sunday. Everything is good. You won't see me till Tuesday, but you actually are going to get a little bit extra this week. You'll see me on Monday. This week is Ronnie's birthday. He's going to be 50 years old coming up. And I'm throwing him a big shindig this coming weekend. And you guys are going to be there to enjoy. So, I've got some surprises and some things up my sleeve. And I'm going to take you guys along this week. And so, don't tell. Shh. He does know we're having a get-together. He just don't know what kind. Right, babe?
I don't know a thing.
So,
but I can't wait to see.
Oh, you will. All right, guys. So, give me a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below, and we will be talking to you all again soon. I am honestly going to probably pretty much finish my night out with watching a little YouTube. I found this girl on Instagram, and she does these cleaning videos, and she kind of captured my eye, and I'm going to check her out tonight. And if I like her, I'll tell you tomorrow. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys. Oh, God.